the exhaust in the Accord right now. As you can hear, it is leaking a bit. But I think it sounds pretty good. I actually like it. Yes, it does sound racy, but it doesn't bother me that much. Sounds better than stock, and it still sounds stock at idle, and under 3,000 RPM. But yeah, other than that, she has 262,000 miles now on the cluster. Carrier's filthy. And that's what happens when your piece of shit CD player doesn't want to read a CD and you smash it against the steering wheel. FM still works, thankfully.
Now in Bakersfield, all for you. The new growth store in Bakersfield, it's the Hydro Shop. Dr. Gallagher's dentist office waiting room is the dullest place in Bakersfield. But believe it or not, a great reliable used vehicle.
Cooling fan switch too. The old one died. This one looks a lot better though. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Pretty short. Not a lot of updates. Pretty much still doing the same as it was.